just going over to pick up a couple of tools and then we're off. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning and yeah, we're going to get some gardening done. Just a little bit of weeding. Here we go then. Mind the dog poo. Work our way down the trail, down the wobbly path. Just look at this. You've got next door's immaculately mown lawn, but Benna's allowed hers to become a meadow. And what a mass! What a mass of different things that are growing up. There's this great big hill. There's an odd little hill here. Don't understand why the hill is there, but it's there. And inside that there's all sorts of things growing. And on the other side there's all manner of trees growing out the grass. It's amazing. It's all there, ready to grow. Yeah, it's just different ideas of how we can progress. Anyway, there we go. And we'll get cracking. Oh, I can smell something burning. Someone's burning a fire. And it's early in the morning. Right, so my task here is to do a bit of weeding along here and go through, see that longy stuff there. I'll cut through there up to the end. Well, after about 10 minutes of working, I've done a little patch there, but I've also got to get all the way down there. Well, I've made some inroads into this overgrown patch here. I've got two great big piles that I've made, and I've got down as far as the Angelica. I'm just having a little break right now because I'm feeling a little bit hot. The mosquitoes are getting on top of me. Then up around the bend and back towards the house. There we go. And in I go.
Okay, let's get the mower out then, eh?
Well, while Benna is busy mowing, oh, look at that bird on there. Just have a quick look on the Aquilegia. Anyway, while Benna was mowing, I'm going to carry on with a bit of the clearing of this plot, and you can see all the amount of work I've got to do to hoe that and clear that plot. So here goes. Whoa. Try again. I like it. Today I'm planting potatoes, and so far I've dug one trench and I'm in the middle of the second. Here we go then. These pointy ones, it's quite stiff. Anyway, we're going to go down here and go back again to get the depth. They call that double digging, do they? I don't know. There we go, 2 rows of trenches. There's a large pile, somewhat spread, of chicken manure and hay and what have you, ready to fertilise the end of the bottom of the trenches. So we're going off there now. Year-long old, or maybe more, chicken poop, which I want to put into the bottom of the trenches, soak the potatoes, put them back in again, and we'll be done for the day, I think. Here goes. Right, there we are, a barrow full of poop, and coming round to the 2 trenches. So we've got to transfer the poop to the trenches, and then we'll put the plant potatoes in, and away we go. Well, these aren't officially what do they call it, seed potatoes. They are just ordinary potatoes bought at a vegetable place. They've started to sprout like crazy. Why not plant them? So that's what we're going to do. I don't know if it's the right thing to do, but Bella's seems quite keen to put ordinary potatoes in. It's late in the season. It's actually late June, so if we give, what was it, 3 months growing time, that means we are June, July, August, September, probably up to the first frosts, ready to dig these up, and they should be lovely. Eight in 1, 2, 3, 4, leave it up a bit further, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and 7 in the other. For those of you who know about how to plant potatoes, you're probably shouting at the screen saying, he's doing it all wrong. Yeah, you're probably right, but I'm doing it my way. That's right enough, because I've just learnt through practice that in all my failings, when I've got it wrong, it's a learning experience. So there. Well, I guess it's getting, well, time now, it's 9:45 in the morning. The temperature is slowly getting higher, too much for me to deal with, so I'm going to get this finished off by 10 o'clock. Go in for a cup of coffee. Ooh, well, that's well earned, I think. Start early, work through to the time when it gets too hot to deal with. Okay, Here we go, watering the plants, watering the potatoes. By heck, very free soil.